Hey there guys, it's John Waite here. Thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with the review, if you would like me and my team to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get $10,000 per month, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. So when you pick up this product, you're going to get my 4 awesome bonuses delivered to you automatically. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 email subscribers every single Friday. This isn't a technique, it's not a method. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up, and then I show you how to mail them from a self-hosted autoresponder that costs between $3 and $12 per month. Now, bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you my free traffic method that I'm using right now in 2023 to absolutely flood my offers, my blogs, and my sites with traffic. Bonus number 3 is going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first for your selected keyword on YouTube so that you can get a ton of traffic from YouTube to your offers. And bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you access to promote my mentor's own product, Empire. And I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so you can literally promote it as your own product. So with that said, let's jump straight over and see what this product is all about. But before we do that, don't forget, if you would like me and my team to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then you're going to want to check out the first link in the description. And if you want to pick up this product that I'm reviewing, then you want to check out the second link in the description. And I'll see you on the inside.
Welcome to AI Crush. Please watch this video till the end before buying. Right now, we are on the sales page of AI Crush. Become an independent creator. To clarify, this is a training program. This is not a software. So you're not going to buy a software with which you are going to create some AI videos. No. But these videos which you see here, these are sample videos, okay? Whether I show you one sample video or 100, the process will remain the same, okay? So these are more than enough videos for you to see how these things are going to work for you. So this is AI Crush is a training program in which you will become an independent creator, okay? Because maybe if you buy some software, you have to pay them money. But the method which I am talking about is absolutely free. Every individual can create these AI videos after following my training. And it's a very short training, less than 1 hour, like 48 minutes long training. And then you will be able to create these videos in 5 minutes once you get hands-on experience, okay? So your first video might take maybe half an hour, but after that, once you get used to the process, then literally it takes me 5 minutes now because I am in the flow, right? So AI Crush, nothing hanky-panky, no hocus pocus. I am not here to tell you, oh, this is how you make money. No. I am here to grow a skill inside you, and using that skill, you probably can do something for yourself, right? So once you know how to make these videos, you can do whatever you like. You could maybe run an Instagram channel for your motivation. I'm showing you this Instagram channel, which has got 299 posts, and they have 651K followers. And they post these kind of animated videos related to spirituality, meditation, stuff like that. Any random video you can think about, okay? And these are all those AI made videos. Nobody's talking, nobody's coming on the camera, stuff like that. Still, they have these many followers. And this channel was started in April 2023. So in 6-7 months, they have got these many followers. Again, no promises, no claims here. Your hard work is your own proof of your desired results. So anyways, coming back to AI Crush, if you have any questions, all the answers will be in this video, I believe. I told you it's a 50 minutes long training program, after which, after going through the training, you will exactly know how to make these videos. After that, there are a few ways what you can do with these videos. You can make a YouTube channel and upload these YouTube short videos on YouTube to see if you can get some traffic. You can do this on Instagram. You can use these videos on TikTok or in your client's projects. Okay, so let's say you are some freelancer or you want to start a freelancing career. You can become some kind of AI creator and create these kind of AI short videos for other clients. But the method which I would love the most, it's my favorite, which I'm telling you right now, is that you go on this website called warriorplus.com. I'm pretty sure you are aware of warriorplus.com. Okay, what I am proposing to you is that you create these kind of maybe 20 videos, a collection of 20 videos, and then you sell these videos as an independent creator. For example, let's say you have 20 short videos which you have created after going through the training. Then you can go to their website warriorplus.com and sell these 20 videos as PLR, understand, and you can charge people maybe $15-20 for one copy. Do you understand? You create the video for once only and you can keep selling it again and again for lifetime as a PLR business. Or again, it's up to you which method do you choose if you want to get some money out of it. Let me clarify again here. I am not here to tell you how to make money. I am here to grow a skill inside you. Using that skill, what you will do with these videos, that's entirely up to you. Again, in the end, AI Crush is a training program, not a software. Follow the training and you will be able to do this on your own. I have created these videos on my own after you follow the training. It's pretty easy, easily explained training I have. Simple step by step, not more than 1 hour, 50 minutes only. And then you will have to do the practical work and get yourself familiar. So training program, which means no refunds, all sales are finals, all the questions have been answered. You know, grab. The sales page is quite short, nothing here, nothing hanky panky, no bullshit. Okay, so if you wanna buy, just click on the buy now button, and I'll see you inside.